don't know what I'm doing myself. Content. Guys, I'm telling them what we are doing now. They graduate, them going to sing a song there, right here, I think. Let's see if I can catch. Is that see this up? Guys, we should go. She look cute. Yeah. Oh God. She likes a lot. Sing, Jamie. Bro, why you do that? Look on that girl that put out eye she. Look on her. Now people them church.
See, she not like talking or something, you know. I'm here to go rap her. Me? Them not like my friend they come back. Wait. I'm like she they come back.
In the ear, mother said take it off. It sound like Saya. Iron. No, let me see what else AI. What the pump? Bruh. So many times we never get them something.
No sweetie no in there.
We gonna ramsack the girl thing.
That's okay.
Hey, anybody here so hey. We're at the Devon house. We're gonna buy ice cream. So the girls are with Sarah, Rana.
I need to do it like baby one.
And the girl with Apple. Oh, my nose, one of them carry to the zoo.
Alright, so
May wanna use. I'm gonna know the merchant then. Mash it up, mash it up. You know, I'm saying, Ria. Guys, a whole heap of kids. A whole lot of kids. Right now, Jamie take a picture of them. Let's show no bomba. The ice cream and one lizard. Anyways, back to the girl picture taking, yeah. Excuse me, I'm not sure the water. Can I get one out where we're coming? So guys, we're halfway done with the hair. I'm hate watching Argentina match. Yeah. Argentina are going to win. Hate watching.
The Italian Vittorio Pozzo, whose record has stood almost 100 years, having won it twice in Italy and that's his first ball again in 1938.
No, Cinderella treatment. Yeah, I'm having drinks. Cinderella.
We have been
It tastes like cows, mind you. But the front punch one. How you feel? How you feel? How you feel? Nakalusin na one. Aboko. Aboko. What should I lose? 3-1. 3-1. Nothing them can't hear me. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Hey guys, we're at Boardwalk Beach trying to take pictures for my crochet stuff. So yeah, we're here with Sabrina because Papa's here. This is Sabrina, guys. And everybody know me. Duh. So yeah. Let's go change, guys. Mirror not in bathroom here. Look how we're not changing. What? So much am I? Ang expensive. No. Not really. Just tastes like flour. This is flour. The sun not even there. I just eat that one day. That's good for the student. So next location, guys. I begin every I want to look more pictures, but my grandma makes some is like everybody I want. After I just get comfortable, people in my tell me for more, bro. The people them gone are just through there for we can't see them. Anyway, whenever this done, bro. Still here. But we try to go away. Isn't it? Yeah.